What did you say? Modules. From Django DB, I have imported models and I'm passing that models to this class. Now simply I will create first what we need name, phone number, email ID, subject, message. Name equal to models dot char field using limits character field. I will give maximum 50. Okay, any length we can give maximum length. Now this name is a character field because here it is characters. This char field, this one, and for phone number I will use phone. For this one I will use integer field. Okay, then email ID. Email ID equal to email field. This one's length. 50 is enough. Then the subject normal character field. And then message. For message it is a big area, text area. That one. Text field. So these are different fields we can use. Character field, integer field, email field, text field. Text field is for this one, big area. Okay, now I have created a model. Okay, I have just defined this model. I need to apply the changes in database now. So database is our SQLite 3. Run this one. Here I am creating a database table. If I use query language, then I need to use the query language only, like create table, insert into table, all those commands. Query language. Here just we need to create a class, then fields. Simple. For email field, no need to give maximum to this. Only for char field and integer field. Integer also no need. Let's see. Only for char field it is important. Maximum. Done, guys. Let me know once it is done. Done, guys. Bharat, Surya, Bhavya, Narahari, Yogesh. Okay, Bharat done. Others, I'm doing this in models.py. This file. Guys, Bhavya, Narahari, Surya, Yogesh. Any conclusion? See here, need to check this one. C and F should be capital. Okay. Character field, integer field. This should be capital. Or else it will throw errors. Then, guys, okay, now I need to apply these changes. Okay, I have just defined this class. I need to apply the changes in database. To apply the changes, you have to run the commands. Migrations, migrate. Py manage.py, make migrations. Okay, this command will check for any updates. Here in this command, it will check for the updates. See, it has directed this one, create model contact. And now I need to apply these changes. For applying, migrate. See, apply it. Applying my app initial something. Here run these two commands. If you get any errors, tell me. Now my database table has been registered. Any errors? Guys, are you doing with me? Hello, hello. Bharat, Bhavya, Yogesh, Narahari. Guys, reply something. Any errors or any confusion? No, no errors, sir. Only Bharat is doing. What about others? Surya, even Surya is there, no? Yes. No errors, sir. Okay, now this table has been registered. Now I want to see this table here in admin page. Okay, it has registered in database in backend SQL. Okay, now that I need to bring in admin page. To do that one, come to admin.py. See, there is a file admin.py in application inside my app. Here I will register the model. First, need to import from. So that model is in models.py here in the same folder. So I will tell him from my app dot models import contact. My app where is not showing. Okay, then here you give admin dot site dot register. Okay, admin site register the contact. See, now come refresh. See, I got my model from my app. Contacts. Zero contacts. Then guys, into admin page, admin.py, import the model, register to admin page. Then guys, return Bhavya, Yogesh, any doubts? You just simply created a class model, then registered to admin. Simple, two steps. Bhavya, Yogesh, any doubts? Oh, okay. Okay, simple, no? Just create a class model, apply the changes using these commands, make migrations, migrate, then register to admin side. Here we'll get to see. Now there are zero contacts. Go to add contact. Here I will give name, phone number, email ID, subjects, message, say, say contact object one. Okay, here I can do something and I want to show like contact from this name. Contact from Shahul like that. Some message. Okay. So to do that one, inside models, I will create a str function. You just type str, enter. Here return self dot name. I will use f string. F string like same thing we do it in this one. Well printing. Print the f string something. Here I will give contact from this name, first name. Self dot name. N is capital. Okay, simple one str function. And here we need to give keyword def keyword. Create contact from Shahul. We have one more contact using another name, something we will say. Create contact from Hamid, contact from Shahul, like that. Two contacts has been saved to database. And from database it is displaying here in admin site. Any errors? Are you getting these contacts? This is the small function editor, str function. It will return this string. Any errors? Others? Only Bharat is doing it. Oh, yeah, don't have laptop. Logesh, what about Yogesh? Yogesh, Surya, Narahari. Guys, are you doing with me? Surya, Narahari. Yes. No errors, sir. Everything is perfect. Okay, now I want to bring this form here. Sounds good. Okay, now from here I need to add. Okay, this is just a HTML form. I need to link that HTML form to contact. See, it is just a normal HTML form. Now I need to link this to the database table. Okay, to link that one, we need to bring that model here in this page. From here to here, I need to pass. Any idea how can I pass? You can refer that this one data flow. See, who is the intermediator here? Linking the models to templates. Anyone? It's simple. Which is the mediator page? Mediator file, anything. I want to link the model to template. Yes, tell me. It's very simple, guys. Which is the file which is linking the models and templates? Very simple. View, yes. It is views. From here, I can get the model, then and I can get a template. So come to views. See here, contact is the page. Here need to call the model. Okay, so simply I will give from my app dot models import contact. Okay, then here I will give inside this function I will create a mm, let me give form equal to contact. Then I can pass it from here. Just give comma curly brackets. I will give form keyword and then this form. Okay, so this is a dictionary key and value. This is the key. Using this key, I can call this form. Okay, here I can give anything. Any other word also can give. Like okay, I will give data. Okay, so data is a keyword which will call this form, contact form. Okay, now I can use this keyword in contact.html. Yeah, so from here, and just give here somewhere. What was that keyword? Data. Let's see what happens. Focus. Error. Form. Invalid syntax. The whole class I can pass it here. Okay, I'm given from spelling mistake. Form. See data. It's in double curly brackets. Yes, the contact form. It is returning me this one. This is contact form. Contact. What is new contact form? Contact from. I think it is displaying this one. Contact from. Contact from that one. Okay, now if I pass this model now, it will display the content. If I give here data dot name, I need to run a for loop here. See, this one is a contact which is holding multiple items. Two items are there. Using for loop, I need to do this thing. Once again, okay. Now where are we? This contact. Now you need to get the all objects. So there are multiple objects. I can't directly pass the model like this. I need to read the query. Like contact dot want objects dot all objects I need. Okay, now from all objects it will fetch the names. From data dot name. Correct. Save files correct. Refresh. Here is the data. Let me keep this in H3 tag. HTML. Name N is capital. Refresh. I'm missing something. Data dot name. That's correct. What am I missing? Okay, so data is displaying here something. CH3 is there. Print forms. Refresh. Yes, contact is there. Contact from Fabul, contact from Leap. Okay, if I just give data, it is showing like this. Okay. I got this one. Okay. So this data is holding multiple items. See, one, two. You need to run a for loop inside this HTML tag. Okay, change to Django HTML. Okay, here in for loop. For so use the emits. Guys, are you with me? See what I did is in views, I called this contact model and passed it like this. Using a form, contact objects all. This is the query that will fetch all the objects and store it in this variable form. Then I'm passing that form to this contact HTML page using dictionary. The key and value. Key is data, then value is this variable. Now this form is holding multiple items. Okay, to fetch that one, here we need to write a for loop inside this contact.html. Okay, just type for enter. These are the syntax. I'll bring this inside. For I in data, the keyword. Then here I will give I dot name. Okay, simple for loop. Now it will display my names. Like this, we can write if conditions also. For if done, guys. Bharat, Surya, Bhavya, Yogesh. Any confusion? Guys, any errors? Bharat, Surya, Bhavya, where are you? Bharat, okay, simple. First, what we did, we created a model, registered in database. Then inside admin also we have registered. Then simply we call the model here in views. Then write a query. Contact objects all. Get all the objects and store it in this variable. Then pass it as a dictionary. Then using this keyword inside this contact.html, write a for loop for I in data, I dot name, then this. Okay, here we are just seeing the contents, seeing the data. I want to store the data from here. For this one, you need to create a form. Okay, first what I will do, I will create a separate file for this one, for viewing contacts. Here we create one more template, new file, view contacts.html. Okay, I want to show it in separate file. Here just give extents base.html. Then what is the second step? Anyone? I will write this for loop there. Control X. Can anyone tell me what is the second step after extending? Content is there. There is one more step. Anyone? Bharat, Surya, Bhavya, Narari, Yogesh. I have created one more file, view contacts, and extended this HTML. Then I need to call the block. Remember, block content. Yeah, I need to end. So let's, yeah, last. Yeah, now I need to create URL. URLs views to call this one. Okay, we'll create one more. This one copy paste. DD. Here I'll type view underscore contact. Yeah, view contact. View start view contact view. Name is also view contact. Then I need to create this function. Copy paste. Control C. V. Yeah, done. Then I will write it in this one also. Okay, never. View underscore contact. Here also view contacts. A contact view contacts. Here it will display this one. I have created a separate page to viewing contacts. Then guys, create a separate HTML, one more URL, one more view. Any confusion? I have renamed this one contact view to view contact view. Now I need to create a form, then display it in contact HTML. This one is HTML form. Now I want to bring a Django form like this. This form I need to bring. Till there any doubts? Bharat, Surya, Bhavya. Any doubts till now? Bharat, no doubts. Others? See, if we call this contact model, from model you can just fetch the data. You cannot add. See, using model you can fetch this data. Okay, now we need to create form for the model. Yeah, for this contact model, I need to create a form from where we can add the data. Here is a predefined form, this one, Django admin. Now we need to create our own form, user defined form. So for creating forms, come to my app, create a new file inside my app, forms.py. Okay, here we'll import from Django, import forms. Doing guys, create a new file inside my app, forms.py. Okay, now from Django, I'm importing forms. Then same thing again, class. Here I will give, and I need to import the model also. So I will import the model from, where is it? My app. From my app dot models. Import contact. Okay, this class I'm importing. This model. Then I will create contact form. Then here I will pass forms dot form. Doing guys. Are you with me? Forms dot form. Actually, it's model form, not form. Oh, it is showing sometime. See shortcut. Just type model form. Body. Click. The model name will be contact form. Okay, shortcuts. Create class contact form. From here, form sort model form. Then need to create one more class, meta class. Model will be our this one, contact model. Then fields will be name field. Then what is there? Name, phone number, email ID, subject, message. The spelling should be correct. Name here, phone number, comma, email underscore ID, subject, message, comma, subject, comma, message. These are the fields. Using class meta, we can add this one. Model contact field should be this one. It will create a form like this. Inside forms.py. Done, guys. Any errors? Any confusion? Guys, are you with me? Okay, Bharat done. Only Bharat is doing. What about others? You guys have to do it with me, or else you will get some errors. You'll get confused. Okay, doing. Any confusion till now? Today we created models, forms, and displayed in this form. Many things we have done. No, no. Okay. Okay. First we created a model, registered in admin also. Then what we did, we created one more file, view contacts, and there we call this model displayed as a data. Then now we are creating a form, contact form. These are predefined models from model form from Django. Okay, spelling should be correct. N capital, phone underscore name, whatever we have used here, same thing. If we miss E also, it will not display. It will not display that field, message field. Done, guys. Where are others? Surya, Narahari, completed. Huh? And don't forget to save files, all files. Whenever you do some changes, press Ctrl S. Simply we just need to call this class inside here, this contact form, contact page. And guys, Yogesh completed. Huh? Do you need more time? Yogesh, Surya. Guys, go for the next. Okay, okay, it's simple. Same thing. Like how we call this model, same thing we need to call for form. First, we need to import that form from that form is in forms.py. Right, forms import contact form. Same thing. Copy paste from forms import contact form. Then give variable form equal to. Let me give some different. Here I will give data because here we are fetching data from model. Here I will give form contact the solutions not contact form. Then same thing. Pass it as the dictionary. Keyword I will use same form. Then value is form. This form, this variable. Else now in contact.html there is no module name forms. Use.py. Okay, my app. And it is in my app now. My app dot forms. Okay, see from my apps dot form. Okay, then go to contact.html. Now I will replace these input fields. Instead of using normal HTML input field, I will use Django form fields. Double brackets for an form dot name. See, refresh. Name field I got. This is the name field. The same thing. Phone number. Refresh. Phone number. Same email ID subject message. Email ID. What was the second one? Subject. Then inside of text area, message. Okay, button is this one. Okay, now I have replaced those fields. See, here we will get to see difference. Here I have, for name I have given character field, name and subject. It is just a normal characters. It is accepting. Here I have given integer field, so it is coming in numbers. You can just write numbers. This one is email field. It will show please include at something. And text field, the bigger one, bigger area. Now if I press send message, that message should get stored in database. To do that one, first I need to give this button as submit button. The button here I will give type to normal HTML. I will give type submit. Okay, for HTML we have to use normal HTML language. If you want to use some for loop something, we need to change it to Django HTML. Okay, then this form should be method post. Okay, I need to post this data. So form method is post and button type submit. And one more thing we need to add. We'll again turn it to Django HTML. Here we need to pass one token, CSRF token. Okay, every time we submit this data, it will generate a token here, a unique token for security reason. For duplication, it will do something. Done, guys. You just store that form in a variable, pass it as a dictionary. Using this keyword, we can call the fields of this form in contact.html. And these are the rules. Method should be pushed, then CSRF token, then button type should be submit button. These three things are important. Then, guys, Bharat, Bhavya, Yogesh, Narahari, Surya. Any confusion? Let me know once it's done. And others, if by adding this one, it will just post the data to this request. Okay, if I refresh and fill the data, send. Now this data is getting sent to this request, contact request. It is not still saved in database. Just I'm passing this data to this request. Now from this request I need to fetch the data and store it in database. Okay, to do that one. Now once if I press submit, the data has came here inside this request. Now I need to write a condition. Here I will give if request dot method is equal to post, then we'll bring this form inside this if condition. Just give an indent. Now it is a part of if condition. Okay, now I'm checking here. Once I press send here, this data will get to this request. Then again here I'm checking if request.method equal to post. Then what to do? From this form, I need to fetch the data. Request dot post. Okay, from this form, I'm passing the posted data here. Whatever data coming here inside request, if it is post, then pass request dot post. This means all this data will get stored, will be sent to this contact form using this request dot post. Then again I will check a condition if form dot is valid. Okay, this is the predefined function. It will check if the form is valid. It will check whether these numbers something authentication. Okay, if it is valid, then what to do? Form dot save. That's it. Yeah, it will save this data. Now, once it is get saved, I need to come to this page, view contact page. Okay, it is showing some errors. Invalid syntax. Form dot save. It is correct. Yes. Okay, from mistake. Form dot save. Okay, once I save the data, it should come here. Refresh. Cannot access variable get response. What is this? Form. Okay. Here also I need to give form equal to contact form. Okay, see it is in inside if condition now. But I'm trying to fetch the form here. Okay, two times we need to pass. This one is to get the data. Then again we need to give if condition like this. Or I can just do it like this. Else. Like this. And this will work, I guess. Yes. If Method is post, get the data and save. If it is nothing else, just display the form. It will display this form. Else. Now what I wanted is if I press send here, once data is gone to database, then it should move to take me to this site, this view contact. To do that one, we can just give after save return to redirect. To redirect, we need to import here render comma. Okay, just give here comma redirect. Return redirect to slash this one view contact. Okay, now let's start. Refresh. I will save some data. Send. See, it is saved. It is getting saved in database and then redirecting me to this page. Okay, if request initially it will be nothing. Okay, now I came to this site now. The request is nothing, just contact is there. No get to know post, nothing. So it will go to else part and just display this form. Okay, once I fill this form, then press enter. Now it is a post request. Okay, I'm posting the request to contact. Again, it will check if request of method is post. Take the data, give this data to this form. Okay, from requested posted data, whatever we post, this data will get passed to this form. Okay, then I'm checking if form is valid, save and redirect me to this page. Okay, I will send got. Understood this one? Any confusion here? Initially request is nothing, so it will go to else part. This condition will become false. It is not post data, it is just a request. So it will go to else part and just display the form. Once we press send button, again it will check. If it is post, get the data, check, save, redirect. Done guys. Done. Any confusion here? Yogesh, Bhavya, Surya. Okay, this much is enough today. And your assignment will be this one. You need to organize this data. Here I'm just displaying names. Okay, in view contact, see, using for loop, I just display this name. You give v tag. phone number, email ID, message. Okay, you need to create a design. Yeah, all this one. See, this one from here to here, one data. From this is second data. This is third one. Okay, your assignment will be, or you do it for that review. That review form you have made now. That scrolling one. There you do the same thing. Create a form, then organize the data using for loop. Try to do that one. This content will repeat. Okay, your assignment is you need to create model for review. Okay, review model, then review form, then using views.py, form should be displayed in review. Okay, I don't have view, you do that one. View, then create one more model, not model, view for viewing reviews, like this. Contact, view contact, same thing we do it for reviews, view review something. Okay, same thing we need to repeat. We have done for contact, view contact. Now you guys have to do it for view review and view review. Any doubts? Models, forms, views. Any doubts, guys? This much is enough for today. No others. Bharatu Yogesh. Okay, tomorrow you have to all have to show me that one review thing. Review form and review model. What is the meaning? Model stuff, form stuff. I mean, you can see this in an admin site also. Go to contacts. See, whatever we save here, it is getting displayed in both sides. In view contact also, in admin side also, same thing. Okay, let's end this class today. Okay, tomorrow everyone have to show me that assignment. Okay, reviews assignment. Okay, let's end this class today. If you have any doubts, you can text me on WhatsApp.